Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at the how big is the 1.18 size Lamborghini Urus in orange. This is a special edition from Costco, so let's go unbox it and take a look. Oh, looks like we give me a moment. Oh, there we go. Take a little spin around. SE special edition. Let's not waste any time. Let's get it open. So let me just kind of find the opening. Right here, or ooh, where should I open it from? You know, I'll open from here. We're gonna have to keep it on the side. I wish I did have a box cutter, but this is good enough. So like, oh my goodness, oh, come on. Alright guys, we already opened it. So let's go open this up. There it is, the Lamborghini Urus, or the Urus, whatever you want to call it. I don't like how hard it is to open these. Well, it makes sense. You don't want people to steal these. Oh my goodness. Here is the orange Lamborghini Urus on the platform. You can slide it too. Really love the bright orange color. This is a very cool details on it. I really love the Lambo brakes, Lamborghini logo on it. The car is just really designed, like it's very well designed. Even for for $29 too, which is pretty nice too. The little Italian flag Urus on the front. The headlights are beautiful. Take a look at the back. It says Urus, the Italian flag too. The thing I like about these Maistos is that if you go to the steering wheel, they actually turn. Anyways, let's go and... Oh, I forgot. Let's go open up all these things very delicately. One string. Oh, that's good. Here we go. First string. Then after, we're also have to... Let's just get like a zoom in. Get a little like closer. Gonna zoom in closer. Let's get like a little peel. Well, this is gonna be tricky. I don't want to damage it. Damn. Oh, we're here. What the hell? I don't want to damage the paint. God damn it, Maisto. Why do you gotta make it so complicated? I don't want to damage it at all, though. Bro, like, I'm not gonna... Oh. There we go, finally. So repetitive, bro. I can't. Come on. How do I get this one all? Oh, it opens. Okay, just sees it. Look at that Lamborghini V8. I wish there was like a little stand here. That would have been nice. Engine isn't really too detailed. Sad, but I didn't... Wait. Oh, wait. Maybe all the other Maistos also have like an engine too that I never looked at. At least these stickers are easier to take off. Take a look at the back. Very interesting trunk space. Got a little thing on top and here. Put my finger all the way in the back seat. So... Just open all the doors. Wish the back doors would open too. That would be nice. Let's open the trunk. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. There we go. I love the engine design too. Not really. Looks pretty good though. The interior is also very well designed also. But anyways, let's go turn. I'm gonna get this plastic out of here, bro. Let's do this a little bit turning. That is awesome though. I do love that a lot. Very cool detail. Oh, there we go. We're all good. Gucci. Yes. Let's close this properly. But anyways, guys, I hope you loved this unboxing of the orange Lamborghini Urus for Maisto. But anyways, I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.